So we have a village and we have a ratio of 7:4 for houses to flats. And we have another ratio, 8:5 for flats to bungalows. And we're told how many bungalows there are and we're asked how many houses there are. Well, this is obviously a ratios question. So let's write down the information we're given. So firstly, ratio of houses to flats is 7:4. So houses to flats is 7:4. Okay. And then we're told that flats to bungalows is 8:5. So let's write that down on the same sort of ratio diagram, as it were. Flats to bungalows is 8:5. So we can actually work out all the ratios fairly simply. We see that to get from 4 to 8, we simply multiply by 2, and therefore to get from 7 to whatever goes here, we just multiply by 2 again. So the ratio of houses to flats to bungalows is 14:8:5. Right, now, the other piece of information we're given is that there are 50 bungalows in the village. So if we want to work out how many houses there are, we just scale up again. So let's have another ratio here. 50 is the number of bungalows, and we want to find the number of houses. We could find the number of flats along the way, but we don't need to. How do I get from 5 to 50? I simply multiply by 10. How do I get from 14 to the question mark? In other words, how many houses there are? I simply multiply by 10. And so the number of houses, and we've just done this by scaling up our ratios, is 14 times 10, which is 140. And that is that.